Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to tell you about the Smart K Money plan in this video. My dear friends, Smart K Money plan is better than all the plan going on in the world right now. I will tell you all the things in this video that tell Smart K better than the rest of the plan, friends. But first I want to show you something. See friend, on this screen you can see that there are two pools in all the plans, working and non-working, friends. Okay, you have to buy different slots in all these plan. All the money you earn from here spend in buying the pool. You can't take your money home. I am going to tell you the bitter truth of these pools, which will surprise you, friends. If you are in any smart contract plan of the world, you bought 2 and 3 slots in non-working pool, 2 and 3, this one and this one. Okay friends, this one and this one. Okay, as shown on screen, and each round of these two slot is completed, system will ask you to buy fourth this slot, this one, fourth the slot. Okay, then you will not get the income for the next round of slots 2 and 3. Then even if your team is working in non-working, friends, you are strong, you will have to buy further slots to stay in this plan. You will never be able to get all your money out of the plan. My dear friend, my dear brother is stuck in this plan. Now I tell you about Smart K Money plan. You will see the whole video, friends. The first thing is that Smart K Money plan is a smart contract plan. Smart K Money plan is a smart contract plan, friends. This is a true smart contract that you can see on the Etherscan. Okay friends, your joining will be with a trust wallet, which everyone knows about. Trust wallet. Okay friends, your joining will be from 0.05 Ethereum plus gas fees. There may be some gas fees like. Now let's talk about Smart K Money plan, friends. In all the plan, as I have said earlier, that there are two slots like this. Okay friends, two slots, sorry, two pools. Okay friends, but it has only one pool, and that is working pool too. This one, friends, and this working pool has only 8 slots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the name of this pool is VX, friend, VX. Okay, and the name of the second pool is VZ, VZ, friends. Friends, this is a non-working pool, and the interesting thing is that it is not a slot, meaning you do not need to buy any additional slot without needless, like this. No need. Okay friends, your joining look like this here. Now let me explain this slot a little bit like this. Your joining looks like this. Okay, Now you have the first person. Now you have the first person. Okay friends, made the second person join and the third person joined. Okay friends, you will get 80% money from the first 80%. Okay, you will get 80% money from the second person 80%. Now 80% of money will be given to your senior by the third person. Okay friends, and this same slot is purchased by you again, which you did not have to pay. This will happen again and again in every slot friends. This will happen again and again in every slot, and you will continue to benefit from your team in the same way. Because the third person of your team will also benefit you again and again in every slot. Now you can see here that everyone got 80% money, but what will happen to 20% money? 80 80 80 20%. Okay, now let's talk about friends VZ pool, which nobody in the whole world has. VZ. Okay friends, VZ. All companies have a large number of slots in the pool of non-working who have to buy like the, but you will not need it here. Because this company has made a pool VZ. Okay, now everyone in the company will get money. Every person will get money, which has not happened in any other company till date, friends. Now how will this company come to you? 20% of money that goes into the VZ pool. Suppose today that according to 20%, 8 Ethereum in this pool come from all over the world. 8 Ethereum. Okay, and I told you that the company has a total of 8 slots, that is 2 in working. 8 slots. If I divide this 8 Ethereum equally in the working slot VX, okay, then each slot will have 1 Ethereum. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay friends, now suppose that the total ID in slot 1 is 50, then it will be divided equally in 1 Ethereum, 50 people, and there is no condition here that you have to hire someone direct to take this payment. 50 people. Okay, No condition, friend, no condition. Now look at the second slot here. The total 10 people who bought this second slot, second one. Okay, now that one Ethereum will be divided equally among these 10 people. Okay friends, there will be no condition. Now in the third slots, let's assume there are only two people, so this one Ethereum will divide equally in these two people. Okay friends, 0.5. Okay, similarly friends, who would have bought these 8 slots, this person will continue to take this non-working money every day, friends, without condition. Friends, everyone has to get money in Smart K Money, and whoever does that little extra work will earn a lot of money. Friends, this was the complete plan. You will get my refer code in the description of the channel for the referral link. Thank you friends, thank you.